So, good morning, students. Today in this class, we are going to learn about software which is named as Scratch. So, Scratch is basically a block coding software. So, what is block coding software? We know we can create apps, games, so many things, different kinds of things just by using programming or coding. But it is not possible for everyone to learn coding at the very small age. That's why uh, people has created the concept of block coding. So this is actually coding, but this is not for the elder ones, this is for the juniors, so that kids like us, we can learn programming in a very easy and fun way. Using Scratch, we can create our own apps. Let's see how we can do it. First of all, we have to search for Scratch, SCRATCH. This first website, go to the first website, click here, and then the screen will come. Click here on start creating, and then closing. Hopefully you are able to see the entire screen. This section is the code blocks. These are the code blocks. The cute cat's image you can see here, this is known as sprite. What do we call it? We call it sprite. We can change the name. Let's change the name of sprite to Devotro. Devotro. So we can call the sprite, this cat, Devotro. Okay. And you can also write the same thing as well. Let's go to, we have to use this kind of blocks. These are all the, if I want to move the sprite, I have to come here to the motion. We will learn it later. So let's now I'm coming here, and see, the cat is saying, hi, I am Devotro. So we can do pretty much so many things. Let's first of all make the cat move. So this is the center of the screen. Okay. Here you can see, let's keep it to the center of the screen. X is 0 and Y is also 0. You can see here, X is 0 and Y is 0. Okay. If I want to move this sprite little bit this side, so X will be negative. If I want to go the sprite, make the sprite move this side, X will be positive. So for that, we will take change X by 10 means 10 steps or 10 pixels. If I click here, see, it is moving forward. And if I write here minus 10 and then I'm clicking on it, see, it is moving backwards. Okay, but I cannot connect it with any kind of buttons right now. These buttons are not working. If I click here, nothing is happening. So let's connect the sprite with W, A, S and D, which are generally the game controls we have in our computers. If I press a W, S, A, D, nothing is happening. So for that, come to events and then take this block and attach it. It is like your puzzles. So we have played the puzzles. Whenever we take the puzzles, they connect together. Like that, we shall connect it together, and then I shall add it with the A button. The moment I am hitting the A button, see, it is going backwards. Again I will take the same block, and in this case I shall connect it with the D button, A, B, C, D button. Again I will go to motions and then change X by to positive 10. So if I am pressing A, it is going back. If I am pressing D, it is going forward. So forward and backward I can move the sprite, but I cannot go upwards and downwards. For that, again I have to take the same blocks and go to motions. Now in this case, see, whenever changing, I am taking it upwards or downwards, the Y value is only getting changed. So upwards mean positive Y, downwards mean negative Y. to change y by, I've taken this with W, I shall connect the upwards one. So when I am pressing W, it is going upwards, but when I am pressing S, it is not going anywhere. So let's connect with S, and y will be minus 10. See, A, S, D, F. So it is going in 4 directions. Here we have costumes. Costume means different images of the cat. Let's come here in the next costume and let's duplicate it. Now I shall take this selection tool and change the leg a little bit so that I can give a little bit walking motion. Next, again duplicate. Next, duplicate. Next, duplicate. So I have made so many costumes. These images are known as costumes. We will see how these costumes are affecting our animation overall. Now I shall go to code, and in A and D I shall go to looks and click on next costume in both A and D. Let's see which kind of magic happens. See, our sprite is moving. It is looking like an animation. Although I have done a very bad animation, see, our sprite is running. Why it is happening? Because whenever I am pressing any of the key A or D, it is changing the costume. In cartoons as well, there are so many images which are getting played very fast. So here I have 6 images. When I am playing the images very fast, you are able to see it is in a motion, right? That's how we make cartoon. So you all wait a moment and take a screenshot of the code, because in the next class I will give you to write the code, and you have to open Scratch and you have to do everything from the scratch. Let's do one thing. I'm just changing the background as well. Let's move the cat to the mountains. So now our cat is in the mountain, and now the cat is moving towards the den. Oh sorry, there is a tiger, so it is running here and there. Okay, so you have to do this, and if you want the cat to say something, you can click here, say, and the cat will say that thing. See, the cat is telling bachao. Sorry, Devotra is telling here bachao. Okay, so this is it for today. Practice these things at home. It will work in your computer, it will work in your mobile. You just have to download the Scratch app in your mobile, then also you can do the same things. In the next class we will do the practical. Thank you. And one more thing, make sure whoever have done the class, you write your name in the comment box so that I can understand that you have done the class. Make sure you are writing your names, otherwise your attendance will not be counted.